What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and as you've seen from the beginning of this video, I'm working on that forward facing turbo. It's not forward facing headers, but the pipes will be forward facing. Go ahead and show you a little mock-up. Got a little tack welds in. I do need to get some gas for the welder and switch out of flux core and into regular MIG and gas. But it is all tacked up with flux core, but the pipes, it's looking good so far. I got some more pipes on order because I'm just gonna start all fresh with new pipes, and yeah, go ahead and take a look of what we got already. Okay, as you can see, that pipe runs forward. We're gonna drop down under the K-member. That's tucked up pretty good. And you see it used there. I'd use that BBK. There's the up pipe. And it just comes around. So that's what it looks like so far. That's the progress. Now we just have to go up there and under that. But if you look from here, it really doesn't hang down very low at all. Doesn't hang down at all, really. I'm gonna have to drop that down, you know, a hair, go underneath this K-member and then back up. But yeah, so far so good. That's it. So if you can see what I see, so far it looks like it's gonna work just like that rear mount turbo. It may not work, but it really does look like it's gonna be a much better flowing and a much easier hot side to make. I'm pretty sure I just got to do the other side. I have the other 90s on order, the other straight pipe on order. We'll get that going. And then once we get under that K-member and we're tucked up nice and home free, like I showed you in the other video, I might flatten a 2.5-inch pipe to get underneath that K-member. And when we get a tubular K-member, maybe we can redo that part. Maybe I'll put V-bands or some sort of clamp to make that part easier to take apart and maybe replace with a tubular where you can tuck it up a little tighter. I'm not quite sure as of yet, but I really think this is gonna work. Stay tuned. If you think it's gonna work, you may not. I didn't finish. I mean, I got the hot side and the turbo spinning on the rear mount. It was just not very practical, and the cold side was gonna be a mother trucker. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. It's basically a copy of the Helion style. It's a little different. I'm gonna run the other side exactly the same. It's gonna loop around and go forward and go under that K-member. We're gonna wire it together and shoot up with the turbo somewhere. So stay tuned for that. I'm Dustin, this has been Dustin's Customs, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.